Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I'm here with another unboxing video for you guys. I had an unboxing of a Purpose Driven Essentials faith box last month, and I mentioned they just randomly contacted me and sent me one of their boxes to review, and same thing happened this month. I came home and surprise, I had a box on my doorstep waiting for me, so I'm super excited. Thank you so much, Purpose Driven Essentials, for sending these to me for review. I really appreciate it, and I know some of you guys as followers have gone over and ordered the kits and have loved them. So here is April's kit. Now I'm not sure if you go and order now if you get this particular kit still or if it'll put you into next month. I'm not quite sure how that works, but let me show you what comes in the April kit just so you can get an idea of what their kits contain. So from my understanding, this is their smaller kit. They do have a larger kit that is a family kit, which comes more with like board games and movies and devotionals and books and things that you can do as a family, which I think is a great gift idea. And these are a great gift idea too, these smaller ones, but a great gift if you're doing a family gift for the holidays, or let's say you're going away for the weekend, you know, we're heading into the summer. Let's say you're gonna go away, go camping, or go, you know, in your trailer, or go away somewhere. That would be a great kit to purchase and take with you for your family. And so this is a great one for you or as a gift as well. This is their smaller kit that's more targeted towards faith art and Bible art journaling and that kind of thing. But you don't have to be a Bible journaler to appreciate this kit. So I did notice some changes, which is really cool. They are still including their little business card with their information. That's still on there, but this was new, just a little note from them about the kit and what's included and some information. So a nice little card there. Ways to connect with them with Melissa, who I believe is one of the co-creators, and then Purpose Driven Essentials, some of the places that you can find them, and then the sheet that lets you know what all is included in the kit. And it's not just a list of what's included, they have some just description about it and kind of why they put it in there kind of thing. So, and then where you can get the items that are in the kit. So let's dive in. First off is another CD. This is the Casting Crowns, the very next thing. I don't have the CD and I love Casting Crowns, so that's perfect. I love that they include this because that's something that I do with my Bible journaling or my quiet time sometimes, is have worship music playing in the background while I'm Bible journaling or working on a Bible study. And so I love that they include this for those of you who maybe that's new for you, or I know the Christian music has come such a long way. And if you had asked me 10 years ago if I listened to Christian music, I would say no way. It was stuffy and boring, but it is awesome now. So I love that they include this for you guys to have. So there's a full CD. You get a 365 devotion, God Hears Her. It's our daily, put out by Our Daily Bread, which is a great company, and they do great devotionals. And so it is dated, but you could start it at any point in time. So it's a full year with just a verse and some devotional content. And I have always really enjoyed Our Daily Bread's content. And so it's just a really beautiful book. So the great thing about the stuff that's in here is you can even use these as individual gifts. So let's say you get the box for yourself. This isn't really your thing. You could go ahead and gift this to somebody else, and it's just really great quality. So you do get that. You get some die cut pieces from the Illustrated Faith All People, All Nations collection. And the theme around this particular month's kit is discipleship. So making disciples, being a disciple. And so that pairs well with the All People, All Nations, kind of our tribe, global church idea. So you get those for Bible journaling. You get the devotional that the Purpose Driven Essentials company puts together. And again, there are some changes. They've stepped it up. They're really, I just keep seeing all these new little details that it's just showing that they are growing and fine-tuning the products in their kits. And so you get, their booklet is put together themselves, and it even has this really pretty embossed logo on the vellum piece on here. I did go ahead and read through the devotional before I did this unboxing, and it is good. It is focusing, like I said, on discipleship. So refining yourself to be a disciple and what that takes. So quiet time, tuning into God, your own personal study, and then going out into the world and being a disciple as we are called biblically to do. And so we're going to work through that through this devotional. As far as days, it's not really set up into days. It's more set into habits, I guess. And so there's a page about the habit that we need to develop, and then some information about it. And it's kind of set up that way. So I believe there are four habits, and then like a little wrap up session. So, I mean, I guess you could get maybe 11 days, 12 days out of it when I looked at it, but it isn't really set up in your traditional day 1, day 2, day 3. So you can kind of work through it however you feel comfortable working through it. I do really like it's bound with this coil binding, and then it's got all kinds of little extra tidbits of papers in here. So pattern papers, little cardstocks. So you could create kind of a mini book out of this devotional and just work straight in here with your stickers and ephemera and things like that if you wanted to. And so you can work, look how pretty that is. So the devotional content is printed on the back side of pattern paper. So let's say you work through the devotional, you're done. You can then take this book apart and use these papers in your journaling, make cards with them, all kinds of things, and just really repurpose the contents of this devotional once you've, gone through it, and if you don't plan on going through it again. So you get lots of that kind of intermixed in there. You could, of course, work right in here and keep it as a mini book kind of thing. I mean, there's just lots of little fun tidbits all in here, which there was a little bit of that last month, but they definitely stepped it up this month with adding more designs and things like that. I have noticed I had to pinch my coils together because it is kind of wanting to come apart. So if you have that problem, just kind of pinch it, and then it should stay together for you just fine. So there's the devotional content that they put out. And then they do include, it seems kind of their theme is some kind of snack or treat. And so last month we had chocolate fudge, which was amazing. I may or may not have eaten it all in one sitting. I know that's horrible. This month you get some loose leaf tea. So that's super fun. I like that they're partnering with some companies that are smaller that you may not have known about. This is Beach House Teas, and so this is super, super neat to have. So grab yourself a cup of tea, sit down and do your Bible study. Again, you get a Neocolor 2 crayon. This is in pink. And if you have not played with these are super, super awesome. So I love that they give you a art product, a medium to play with in this kit. So you get that. And then there are some stickers. I believe they are all from Simple Stories. Simple Stories. I think they're all from Simple Stories. So there are some stickers, and I don't know if this will be different because it kind of seems like maybe they cut it from a larger 12 by 12. So what you, like the particular stickers you get might be different in everybody's kit. But and since we had Easter in the month of April, typically you would be getting the kit. Like if you order now, I think you'll get May's kit, so you'll get that kit before the start of May. So I'm doing this a little bit late into the month, but you get this super cute sheet of stickers. Here are some stickers. These I believe are from Simple Stories. Okay, it says your bonus free gift, we included Simple Stories Easter themed stickers. So you get all of these really fun stickers that you can either use as you work through the devotional or in a Bible journaling entry, something like that. And it does say that the devotional content, it says this month we teamed up with our area school job shadow program, and with the help of 8th grader Emma Tiberant, we created a unique devotional that you can only get from Purpose Driven Essentials, handcrafted to give a short devotional, scriptures, and journaling prompt to help facilitate the creative process. And this month we are discussing all about becoming a disciple, written by our friend Melissa at createdtoinspirejoy.com. And so that was on this card here was Melissa. So super fun. I love that they are bringing others from within the faith community to help put together their kits. And I know Modern Mess Princess has kind of partnered with them, and she has content on her YouTube channel as she works through the kit, so definitely check her out. I'll link her down below, and I will link the links down below for this company so you can get on board and order their kits. If you have questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. Let me know what you think about these unboxings. I love sharing these kind of things with you so that you can see just the different products that are out there that you may not have been aware of. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.